Rule number 5.
High five. Hawaii 5-0.
Mambo number 5.
Chanel number 5.
There you are. It's the end of the rules for integration.
It is indeed. There's actually two little rules here, but they tie neatly together because they look quite similar.
Do they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to know mine?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, alright, paint you a little picture.
Paint your picture. Oh, I didn't know you did that. Oh, where are you going? Not already. Oh wow, it's incredible. It's a bird. Is that what? Was that a kingfisher? So I didn't think you were into art at all. I had no idea. That you
Well,
could
I mean,
paint like this.
I'm not very artistic.
So, well, come on, don't do yourself any. Like, how did you do this then if you're not artistic?
Like this. So say you've got an integral.
Alright.
Of 1 over a
Okay.
squared plus x squared. But a squared is just a number and x squared is just that. X
Okay,
squared.
alright.
X. There's actually a sneaky little rule for working this out.
Right, okay,
Like,
yeah, we
like
do.
normal. There's a horrific formula that's really ugly and breaks your brain.
Oh, okay.
1
Yeah.
over a 10 to the minus
Great.
1 of x over a.
That's
And,
not too bad.
That's how you do it.
But I can't see any of that there.
Well, I mean, you've got to read between the bird, you know.
Oh, I see. Yeah, the birds, the words.
Ba-ba-ooma mow mow, ba-ba-ooma mow mow, you know, you see, you get it? I'll put that safe, I guess you don't drop it.
Thank you very much. Oh, that was great. Right, I'm sorry when I haven't got any piece of art for you. I've just got a rule.
Well, I like rules, I like rulers, and the other kind of rulers,
Henry VIII.
and the 30cm ones.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, go,
Oh,
go
right,
for
okay,
it, go for it.
so-
Shoot.
Right, I've lost my pen.
For the record, Henry VIII isn't one of my favourites, though.
Is he not? How about Bismarck, more of a general, I guess? Stalin.
No, definitely not. I very much like
Henry VII.
Queen Elizabeth II.
Oh, she is. She's
Lovely.
badass. She jumped out of a helicopter and went to the Olympics, or at least a stunt double did.
That was quite a lot like her, though.
Oh, I know, especially the legs.
I think he's retired now. I think I've heard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, there you are. Anyway,
Yeah.
rule time.
Yep.
So it's very similar to yours, Wayne, but it's not the same.
Okay.
So we have a snake.
Yeah, that's looking quite similar.
Thank you. And we have 1 over a squared plus x squared.
Oh no, you see now, that is the same. That is
Ah,
exactly
I'm
the
on-
same.
I'm not finished. I'm not finished.
Oh yeah, there's no dx here. I see
No,
that
no.
now.
It's also got a square root sign,
Oh, that does change.
but then there is a dx. There is a dx.
Yeah.
That's the same because it's an integral. So what you do is that is equal to sine to the minus 1. There's no 1 over a.
Oh,
there.
and it's okay. That's
Bit
slightly
different. Bit different. And then again we have the x over a.
I mean, that does look like quite a lot of a rip-off of this. You know, like you make a piece of art that looks quite similar to something else, and you say, oh no, this is cubism. It's completely different to impressionism.
no, it's not. It's not cubism. That's minimalism.
Is it? Well, that is quite different.
Only slight changes.
Yeah. Got you. So,
Minimum.
an example of each of these?
I think so. Would you like an example? I think I can
please.
find you an example.
Hit you in the head.
Thank you for saving my life.
That's right.
So your example is, are you ready?
I'm ready.
The integral of 1 over 16 plus x squared. The thing you've got to look out for there is the 16 isn't a 16. Well, a isn't 16 at least.
No, it's 1 over 4 because of this a squared.
Absolutely.
So you've got to be careful of that. And that's the only thing you really have to be careful with. This is just one plonking numbers into a formula thing.
Yeah, it becomes useful when you have a value of x. Until then,
You just express it like that, and that's that,
Absolutely.
really. So, swap.
absolutely. Cool. I don't think I'll use the pen now.
No, I didn't use yours, so it's okay.
That's fine.
Saved your life and put it away, you know.
No, that's what you do.
Integral of
Alright.
1 over 49 minus x squared, square rooted. Or square rooted, I should say. By dx, because it's an integral.
Absolutely.
And,
So?
what's that?
Well, that gives you sine minus 1 of x, just x, over a, which is 7.
You did it. You
I
got it.
did it, but the thing is, when it's a minus, it doesn't matter.
No, you just keep it as x over 7.
Yep,
It's
and,
not x over 7.
and that's that.
That
That's
is
the
it.
end of the rules.
Test yourself?
I think that needs to be necessary. I don't know what was in that pie.
I have no idea.
Question time.
Test yourself, page 123, question 3, from this book.
That book in particular.
It's AQA 2002, I believe.
It is, and it's a question. You ready?
I'm ready for a question.
Alright, so find the integral
Oh, here we go.
between points 2 and 1. We're going to do that
One,
bit.
did you say?
Yeah, we're going to do that bit now.
Yeah, we have to. It's a full question.
It's for a question of, big bracket, e to the x over 2.
E to the x over 2.
Yeah. plus 1 over x,
1 over x.
close bracket dx, giving your
Close
answer
bracket
to
dx.
3 significant figures.
Okay,
Right.
3SF. I'm just going to put it there. That's exactly how to say it.
Thank you. So just do that. So first way, there's a lot of rules to choose from. We've got so many.
There is a lot of
There's
rules.
6 actually.
Yeah. And I'm just going to integrate that. That's just easy dx integration.
Yeah.
It's not that hard. And that one's going to become ln mod x.
Yeah,
You
which
have
is
to
our
do
first rule we did right at the beginning.
So
If you can
good,
cast
because
your mind
it's
that back.
so long ago.
Several years.
Many centuries. So, first I'm going to integrate that. So it's, if it's e to the half x, so that's what x over 2 is, e to the half x, it's going to be 2e to the half x.
Yeah,
because when you times that by a half, it becomes coefficient 1.
Mm-hmm.
That took my head a little bit of brokenness.
I took a short while.
Ln mod x.
That's
Plus
it.
c. I'll put it
No,
there.
this time.
But, so now we have to do it twice with different values of x.
We do. So we have the 2 and the 1. You've got big square brackets like you did in core 2 and core 1.
Yep, so we've got
I'll
2
prepare
lots
my
of
calculator.
e to the half times 2, which is just 1. I'll write it all out anyway. Plus ln mod 2. That's the first bracket. And you're going to minus the second bracket, which is going to be 2e to the half times 1, which is just a half, plus ln mod 1. Okay, so right, we've got 2e to the 1
Absolutely.
plus ln mod. Looks like I put 21 there, but it's not, it's 2. Because of the double bracket, it looks like a 21.
I got the answer. I did it all in one step. And
Oh,
it's
there we go.
2.83. Sorry to take a short while.
2.83 to 3 significant figures, which is what it wants.
It is what it wants. So, there you are. It's not a mammoth question, but that would be the area under graph that we haven't looked at, because it's not there.
If you have any questions on integration, please feel free to ask us, because this took so long and I don't want it to be not worth it.
Absolutely. Yes, this has been Clever Squared Integration.
We'll see you at Solids of Revolution.
Absolutely, I'm going to roll down.
Yep, well, I'm going to get a cake. I'll join him later.